The Jse Allshare index is trading more or less flat in morning trade ahead of the ECB meeting later this afternoon. The resource sector has added 0.03%, the financial index 0.09%, while the industrial index is unchanged so far in trade today. In company news, African Rainbow full-year results showed headline earnings to have increased by 10%, with ARM's platinum contribution to headline earnings having increased by 68%. A final dividend of 600 cents per share has been declared. African Oxygen Limited, better known as Afrox, has signed a 5-year contract with Exxaro Ferro Alloys for the supply of nitrogen to its plant in West Pretoria. At full capacity, the value is estimated at 147 million and would be one of the largest nitrogen supply contracts in Afrox. Pioneer Foods released a trading update for the year ending September 2014. Despite a difficult environment, the company expects headline earnings and adjusted headline earnings per share to be more than 20% higher than the previous year's comparative. The rand is trading slightly firmer at 10.66 to the dollar, 14.02 to the euro and 17.55 to the British pound. In commodities, gold is trading at $1,272 an ounce, platinum at $1,412 an ounce, and Brent crude at $102.5 a barrel. In Europe, German factory orders broke the recent run of poor economic data, showing month-on-month growth of 4.6%, which is well ahead of consensus estimates. The ECB will announce changes, if any, to the minimum bid rate at 1:45 and convene for a press conference at 2:30 to discuss the economic outlook for the Eurozone and discuss further stimulus measures if introduced. In the UK, the BOE will announce whether lending rates and the current asset purchase facility will undergo any changes at 1 p.m. And in the US, we are expecting trade balance and weekly unemployment data at 2:30 p.m. as well as ISM services PMI data at 4 p.m.